Hello everyone, welcome to today's grand video on merge controllers. Thank you for joining us today on watching this video. So in today's video, we will be understanding the details about merge controllers. We will understand what are slug builders and dog positioning onto the conveyors. So this is how the model will look like at the end of the modeling. We will also understand step-by-step modeling steps to create the model just like you are able to see on our screen now. We have already created the videos on conveyors, mass flow conveyors, decision point stations, photo eye and the motor objects onto the conveyors. If you haven't watched those videos, I would recommend you to please visit the channel and watch the videos till end. You will have a greater clarity on simulation of conveyors. So let's begin without wasting much time. We'll start our modeling into the Flexsim for merge controllers and another parameters understanding.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel IF 4.0. This is Ajay.
So initial steps we will do is we will drag the source, we will drag the conveyor, we'll first make the foundation area. So we are going to create the skeleton version for it. So we are going to build the conveyors, we are going to drag it and just drop it, and then what we are going to do is we are going to connect those. Now if you see the datum has changed, so I'll delete that and I'll copy these conveyors here. So we will make the connection here. This is again at some of the datum height, so I'll delete this also, and what I'll do is I'll copy this and I will paste this. You can rotate this from this plus sign in this way. I will put it here, I'll make this straight and I'll drag this off. So if you see this, this is our first conveyor. We'll see from the top view it's tilted, we'll make it straight, then we'll copy this, we'll paste it here. This is our next conveyor, then we'll copy and then paste it here. And then this is our third conveyor, and then I will copy and paste it here, and this is our fourth conveyor. And I'll reduce this size to the fourth conveyor here, and I'll increase this somewhat here so that we can have one of the decision point being placed there. And then I will copy this conveyor to the bottom so that we will have one conveyor taking all those four conveyor material outside to the queue, and I will make a connection for this queue here. So this is how our modeling has been created for the conveyors. So we will change the source inter arrival time to 2, and then what we are going to do now is on creation. So what we are going to do is we are going to put a trigger on creation, and on creation we will go set label by percentage. Into the data we'll go set label by percentage. Now when we come here, we are going to keep the name, that is the label name, as type for the item, and we're going to add 4 types of parts. As we are having 4 conveyors, what we will do, we'll randomly tell that 20% part will have value 1, 30% will have 2, another 40% will have 3, and another 10% will have 4 as the item type. So the label we have set it from 1 to 4 for the items. Now what we are going to do is we are going to drag the decision points. So we'll drag the decision points onto the conveyors. So we have dragging this, so the decision points are dragged onto the conveyors. We'll set the location for this by dragging, and now what we are going to do is we are going to send the label type items 1 here, 2 here, 3 here and 4 here. So this is what we are going to send. So in the decision point when we go, we are going to put the triggers on arrival, and what we are going to do is we are going to send it the item by case. Item.type, this is what the label we need to read on the item and send it to the respective destinations. We are going to add this 4 times. So if the item type is 1, should go to 1 output port. If 2, go to 2 output port. If 3, should go to 3 output port, and if 4, should go to 4 output port. So we are going to create a connection between this decision points and the decision points on the respective individual conveyors. So we are making the A connections here in this way.